Guys, yesterday was a perfect example of the difference, the huge difference between a high quality breaking newsfeed and audio squawk and a low quality one that doesn't actually help you in your trading. Let me show you what I mean. So we had Bank of Canada inflation data that came out, and it was above all analysts' expectations at 3.2 lightning bolt flashes. And we say, okay, right, there's a little bit of a fundamental catalyst in the market. Now, a good news feed immediately should tell you this, right? Canadian CPI inflation shows you exactly what happened. In an immediate reaction, the above forecast and acceleration prints, dollar CAD immediately fell. But what's the second little bullet point? Market pricing shifted incrementally hawkish, but only by some 1 to 3 basis points across the shorter horizon. And that little extra context data point is absolutely key. What it tells you is that interest rate traders actually didn't think that this was a huge deal. And that little extra bit of context, when we go back over to the charts, is going to help you do things like, okay, I'm going to close that trade out early, right? Or I'm going to wait for a deeper pullback, because interest rate traders actually don't see this thing as that significant, right? And if we go to our rate tracker, you'll see this displayed exactly accurate, right? So before the event, about 22 basis points, 21 and a half. Directly after the event, there's a 4 basis point shift, and then it comes back to within exactly where a helpful news feed will tell you 1 to 3 basis points across the shorter term, right? So that's the information you need to know. I saw a couple other feeds. The information was not that helpful. It either didn't show anything, or it showed a big drop where it was a lot more than 1 to 3 basis points. And both of those are really unhelpful to you in your trading. You have to know the context quickly to be able to make these types of decisions.